If you don't focus. My name is CJ, this is CJ Knows Tech, where I love to talk tech and anything creative. And today, I got a video for you, audio head, audio lovers, or anybody who likes music or audio. Bluetooth speaker. So I got this speaker here, Bluetooth speaker that was sent out to me. I wasn't even gonna make a dedicated video. It was just gonna be a part of my little holiday accessories, you know what I mean? I was gonna use it obviously and test it out and give the truth and so forth. But I got this thing, I plugged it up, you know, when you get something new, you test it, especially as a tech YouTuber that loves tech the way that I do. So we got this right here, this Trebit, I don't know, bam. This speaker right here, this is a big boy right here. And the design is for 360 degrees of sound, meaning this thing fills the room, and I can attest to you, it really does. It's actually blew me away. Like I'm not crazy big on Bluetooth speakers yet. You know what I mean? I'm still kind of new to them. I got like this JBL right here, Clip 2. Love this thing, great. Gives me the portability, Bluetooth speaker, loudness, sound. But I've never looked beyond that at bigger Bluetooth speakers. This right here gives that man. We ain't even gonna talk about that one. For real. For those of you who don't know, my background is sound, audio engineering, you know what I mean? In person working the mixer board, in the studios, whether it be for video, music, the album, whoever, you know what I mean? So I am a stickler for sound, but I'm not like a audio snob. I could care less. Like, as long as it has decent performance, as long as it has a great user experience, I'm all for it. And that's exactly what this speaker has. And when it comes to like the sound is good. Like that clip, the one that I showed you, that red one, that other speaker, in comparison, like this is a lot more pronounced in the highs and mids, and the bass is there. This thing has like this thing called X Boom. You like hit that little X button right there on the back. Matter of fact, let me turn this thing on, right? And it gives you this X Boom sound. And right here you got these speakers, these subs, I guess, on the side, and they move. Like, you got that bass that's hitting, like these move, they vibrate. Beyond that, like you can actually hear the bass. Now you're not finna, shake the house down. You ain't finna have that thump and shaking the crib, you know what I mean? Come on, man, look at the size of the speaker, but the bass is there and it's pronounced and it sounds great. Like, I like this speaker. I have grown to have a love for this thing. This thing is great. So what I'm gonna do for you right now is I'm gonna turn it on. I'm gonna play a little something. Now we're gonna play some, non-copyright or stuff that I got the license to from Epidemic Sound, because I pay my subscription, so I'm covered. I ain't gotta worry about getting copyright. So we ain't finna hit a, Carter 5 or whatever the latest and greatest music is right now, because they will take down my video and stuff like that. We ain't doing it. All right. I'm gonna play one that one that I play quite often. It's the background music to most of my videos. Probably the background music to this one right now. Let's play it through the speaker though. Turn it up. Let's zoom out a little bit so you get that full speaker. Little hook up, you know what I'm saying? Woohoo! Turn it up. That's half audio right there. Now I know, it's hard to transfer the sound of audio over, but this is half audio, okay? So let's turn it up. Oh, I want you to see that. That's not even full volume. I'm not gonna go full volume because, I don't wanna get too crazy with it, but let's hit another track real quick. Oh, you know what? For demonstration, I'm gonna switch. I'm gonna turn this on so you can hear. Let's see, this one. I don't know. That's at the same volume, so you can automatically see there's a total difference in sound. Now this has two speakers, granted. We'll talk about that a little bit more in a second, but there's definitely a difference. Even if I turn this one up. No, it's real dope about that. Wait, hold up, player. I turned you off. Hold on. Did you see the evil that just happened just now? I'm a little scared. There we go. Now back to this bad boy. So, far more rounded of a sound. far more clear and crisp and more pronounced. Just a truer sound. Now let me see, do we got a little joint up on here? I don't know, man. We got some, you know, some of that.
For the low, waiting for the signal. Yeah, don't go, don't.
So there it is. I don't think I need to play anymore or anything for you to get the point, because it's not in your room. You can't really transfer over the sound experience that I'm trying to explain to you. So I just explain it. Now let's talk about the Tribit X Boom speaker a little bit more. Let's get a little bit more into details, a little bit about the specs. You know what I mean? I don't really care about that, but let's talk about the specs that kind of matter. What makes this thing what it is. So like I said, it has 2 speakers. I think it has 2, what are they? 12 watt. So 2 12-watt speakers together giving you a 24-watt drive out of this bad boy. And the speakers are on, you know, 2 sides of this thing, but it creates like this 360 type of sound effect. And it's real though. Like literally you can walk around this thing and you will hear the sound in a 360 effect. It's true. Also, it's waterproof. Most Bluetooth speakers nowadays, especially the ones that are built like this, they are waterproof. It's IPX7, which I think you can be 30 minutes at, 3 feet underwater. So if you're near the pool and happen to fall in, you know what I mean? Just grab that joint out, shake it off, and you're good to go. So battery, they're claiming a 20-hour battery. I think it's like, 5,000 something? Like, yeah, 5,200 milliamp hour battery inside this bad boy. Claiming up to 20 hours. You know that stuff kind of varies depending on how you use it, how loud you play it, and so forth. But 20 hours, yo, that's lit. That's a lot of time. Great battery life. It is Bluetooth version 4.2, and also you can daisy chain them. So you can grab 2 of these bad boys, hook them up. You know, I don't have the second one, but you get what I'm saying. And play 2 simultaneously in a daisy chain format, which is dope. Like literally now you really get it popping. You got 2 of these bad boys, you turning things up. This fills the room. Like if you got a little kickback, get together, this will get the job done. This will fill the room and you will be able to service your kickback with audio. And you ain't gonna throw no party, okay? Ain't no party with the trip, maybe. It's a mild party, but ain't no party, you know what I'm saying? And like I said earlier, you got that X bass thing. It does make a difference when you press it. You know, the bass isn't as pronounced. If you just want like a cleaner, more flat sound, you can turn that off. If you want a little bit more exaggerated bass experience, I definitely recommend you press that. And when you turn it on, it's default to on. So, but I think it adds to the overall experience of this thing. Me listening to it, you know, I like to listen to, you know, the hibbity hop and all of that. But I like sub, I like bass. I don't have no subs in my whip. Actually, they all come with subs. And I like sub, I like bass music. I like, if there is bass apparent in the song or audio or whatever I'm listening to, I wanna hear it. And it is represented fairly well in this speaker. Now this speaker comes in at $69.99 on Amazon. The link is in the description below. Go, go, go. And if you look at this speaker, if you look at the build, if you get it in your hand, it's built quite well and it sounds great. I like it. I'm like actually impressed by this thing. And yeah, it will be getting plenty of use in my domain. And yeah, so I'm finna turn on my music right here and I'm finna do my thing. You know what I'm saying? So my name is CJ. This is CJ Knows Tech, where I love to talk tech, anything creative. You just watched me review the Tribit X Boom speaker. Link is in the description. Go, go, go. Go pick it up right now, you know what I'm saying? And check it out and let me know how impressive this speaker is. I like it, you know what I mean? And any other companies out there with the Bluetooth speakers, if you want to challenge this or send me any other comparable speaker, I'm open. The email is, you know what the email is on YouTube, right? I mean, it's just cjknowstech@gmail.com. Hit me up, y'all. All right, let me find my song that I'm finna go out to, and then I'm gonna cut this off, so. You know what I mean? We're gonna play some copyright stuff. Man, this is a song I've been hooked on. You know what I'm saying? Y'all don't know nothing about this. It ain't as, you know, it's a little
what?
A little explicit. So we not gonna play this on the channel, but yeah, I'm out of here, y'all. Yeah, it's lit. I'm out.